First time niya magluto. So, tignan natin kung kaya. Good luck! Meron tayong paminta, garlic, so paminta is pepper. We have soy sauce, vinegar, dahon ng laurel, so laurel leaves. We have nor cubes, chicken, and the oil. Okay, let's start. Ayan, mawala ba ang pork? That's kasim. Pork kasim na hinihiwa niya. Let's see. Okay. So, we put 1 cup of soy sauce. And then, half a cup ng vinegar. Then we put the laurel leaves. Bay leaves, laurel leaves, I'm not sure. Pala, para mas may ilaw. Hiya ako. Ayun. Sorry kung madilim kanina. Then, another laurel leaves. Para mas masarap. Okay. Hi! And then the pepper. Then we put some pepper on it. Sorry, medyo malaki yung lalagyan. It's too big. We still don't have the smaller one. Then we put pepper. Isa pa. One more. And then we put the chicken cubes. 1 chicken cube. This is the chicken cube. Put it in half. Cut it in half. Yes. And then half cup of water. Cup of water. Alright. And then we put it into boil until it's tender. Okay?
Sige na.
Hi! Ayan. You just have to wait until it's tender. So, tatakpan natin. Let it simmer. Great. Tad-tad pa more. Sige, this is your first time tumadtad to chop.
Hindi naman.
Oh, to. Tingin ka nga dito. Say hi! Nakita mo yung pogi mong face.
Robo, mahaba na robo ko sa bintana.
Ngiti ka naman, suplado naman ito. Ngiti ka. See.
Sana huwag mo i-post.
And we have to chop it And then later, we will fry it. Mas masarap. It's better to fry it than to mix it with
Ano, mix it with ano.
naghang ako.
Ano?
It's better to fry it than mix it with the mixers. The charot. The mix. The
Dapat
mix
tama
nung
na yun.
soy sauce tsaka nung vinegar.
Hindi na dapat ibig sabihin.
It's better to fry it.
Oil lang.
Let's see. Wow. That's good. So you know how to chop it, ah? Perfect.
Mag-isisig na yun.
Yeah, so chop the garlic and then wait until the meat is tender. Okay? Just, ayan, the vinegar, kalahati. So, 1 cup na yung lalagay natin para maano yung maasim. Let me check. Oh my gosh, ang sarap. Perfect. Love it. We'll wait until it's tender. Okay, so, ayan na. Tender na yung adobo. So, yun. You can add water kung gusto nyo na masabaw. If not, gusto nyo ng tuyo, ganito. Kailangan nyo patuyuin siya sa water. Okay? Now, magpa-fry na kami. Put the oil. Frying time. Time. Pwedeng tanggalin yung sorry leaves. Isama sa prito. Medyo matalsik. Sorry. It's because of the oil. Tsaka yung haba ng baboy. Yan. Then saute the garlic. Until it's cooked. Saute it for like 2 to 4 minutes. Okay, that's it. You put the oil. Yun. Boom! First time. Yung oil na natira dun sa minarinate na adobo, dinagdag namin para ma-fry siya. Perfect! And mix it again. This is his first ever adobo. And I think I'm gonna love it. So top it with rice and enjoy.